You want financial freedom? Then stop selling your time. Here are 7 wealth secrets that top 1% actually use. Number 1. Assets beat income. Stop chasing a bigger paycheck. Start buying things that make money while you sleep. Number 2. Use other people's money. Rich people don't spend their own cash. They borrow smart. And you can buy a whole business with almost no money. Next, go where the money actually is. Forget the tech hype. Check the parking lot of the richest steakhouse in town. It's packed with boring business owners quietly getting wealthy. Number 4. Buy boring. Car washes, companies, accounting firms. Boring means predictable, and predictable means cash flow. Build systems, not grind. Don't just work in your business. Build it so it runs without you showing up every day. Build multiple income streams. One source of income is a trap. Build a portfolio, businesses, SaaS, whatever consistently prints money. Buy from boomers. 10,000 baby boomers retire every single day. A lot of them want out and they will sell profitable businesses cheap. Financial freedom isn't about working harder. It's about owning things that work for you.